Hi, I'm Uncle David and I phoned Spin Master and the building instructions are not on the internet as of September 20th. So I took a picture. Now this side, all this side is correct. I couldn't see the top, so I put a red bracket. I put a long screw in here and this just sits on top of the brackets. There's a couple of washers. So let's go look at the front. Now, this bracket at the top, this one here, I couldn't find it in the manual, so I put some other brackets. That's more style. And I couldn't find the screws. They were short, so the wheels don't move. I put a lock washer. Now, also, I put a lock washer on this screw, and you can move it like that, or any position you want. I like it like that. Anyways, I'll put some pictures on it so that if you want to build it, it's pretty easy, about 5 hours worth of work. I hope you enjoyed my video.